Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you how to install Python on Windows. Step 1. Download Python. The first step is to download Python. Open your favorite web browser and search for Python official website. And click on the first link, that is www.python.org, and then click on the Downloads tab. On the download page, you will see the latest version of Python. Make sure it is the version that you want to install. Most of the time it is a good idea to go with the latest stable version. So then click on the download Python button. Once the download is complete, locate the installer in your download folder. Go to the installer in your download folder. It should have a file name like python-3.x.x.exe, where x.x is the version number. Double click on the installer to run it. A new window will pop up showing the Python installer. Make sure to check the box that say add python.exe to path before click on the install now button. So we need to click first add.python.exe.path, then click on the install now option. The installer will now start installing Python on your computer. You will see the progress bar indicating the installation progress. This might take few minutes, so sit tight. Once the installation is complete, you will see a screen that say setup was successful. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Python on your computer. Now next step, verify Python installation. To make sure everything is working, let's verify the installation. Open the start menu and search for command prompt, or click on the Windows R button on and type cmd and click OK. Then type Python version. Then you will you should see the version number of Python that you just install, and there you have it. You have successfully installed Python on your Windows computer. Now you are ready to start coding in Python and exploring its amazing capabilities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding. Another way to check Python is install or not. You can type Python and enter. Then you can type any simple Python program. That's it. The Python is successfully installed on your computer. Thank you. Bye bye. Keep smiling.